Should you invest your savings in owning a home? Investing your savings in owning a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you will make. However, it's important to consider both the advantages and challenges before committing. Building equity versus lost flexibility. When you own a home, every mortgage payment you make helps build equity. Over time, this can translate into significant wealth accumulation, especially if the property appreciates in value. Renting offers flexibility. If your job or lifestyle requires frequent moves, owning a home can lock you into a specific location. Additionally, selling a home can be a lengthy and expensive process, which can make it difficult to relocate quickly when necessary. Financial stability versus financial responsibility. Homeownership can offer financial stability. Unlike renting, your mortgage payment remains relatively predictable, providing certainty in your monthly expenses. Furthermore, you can benefit from tax advantages in some countries. However, owning a home also comes with substantial financial responsibility. Maintenance, repairs, and unexpected costs, such as fixing a leaking roof or replacing an appliance, making homeownership more expensive than expected. Long-term investment potential versus market volatility. Real estate tends to appreciate over the long term, offering potential for significant returns if the property value increases. The housing market, like any investment, comes with risks. Property values can fluctuate, and in some cases, home prices may decline due to changes in the economy or local market conditions. Personal control and stability versus upfront costs and commitment. Homeownership provides control. You can modify your living space to suit your needs, and you don't have to worry about the whims of a landlord, such as rent increases or lease non-renewal. It also provides stability. The upfront costs of buying a home are significant: down payments, closing costs, inspections, and more. If your personal or financial situation changes, it can be difficult to sell the property and move on. Predictable costs versus opportunity cost. Once you've bought a home, your costs can be predictable, which helps with budgeting. Over time, you may even end up paying off your mortgage, leading to ownership without the need for future rent payments. However, the money tied up in a home could potentially earn higher returns elsewhere. For example, investing your savings in stocks, bonds, or other assets could offer greater liquidity and growth potential than putting it into real estate. Investing in homeownership can be an excellent choice for those seeking stability, long-term investment, and a sense of personal control. However, it's important to understand the costs involved, the potential for market fluctuations, and the commitment required. On the flip side, renting offers more flexibility, fewer maintenance worries, and the opportunity to diversify your investments.